Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a BMW X640i to review. Probably the nicest car I've been in so far. Last time we had the Integra. This time we have a very nice BMW on our hands for the journey today. Quite right outside. Grab the key. So, buy an X40i, get the default key. This does have the import package on it, so you get the import wheels, import badging. I believe you get the import exhaust, if I'm wrong. This is xDrive, so it is 4-wheel drive. We're taking 91 octane. In the back seat, we have our own dual zone climate control, the USB-C charge port for charging batteries, charging your phone, charging your electronics, ambient lighting all across on the floor over here on both sides, and a really nice panoramic, not reaching all the way. We do have our lights up here. Turn on both. Two blue lights up here. Awesome. We have shades to pull up in the back seats. Back for the tailgate. Opens up fully. A lot of cargo space, man. Really huge. We have a little cover right here. You can see all the way through. You can push the seats down for a lot of space. We have a button right here. The ambient lighting on the door handles themselves. You see them in a minute. We have spotlight to entrance, but no BMW logo on that. We have an M Sport badging on here. Inside, we go on the map. Automatic windows for all four. Lock, memory controls, open the trunk. Headlight controls on this side, or side mirror controls on this side. We have our vents. And then we have our heated steering wheel button right here. Deactivate that, don't want that, it's quite hot here in Texas. Cruise control, volume, navigating through our menu. We have our little menu screen right here. We have our drive modes down here, Sport, Comfort, Eco, and our rooms of entertainment here. And the coolest part about this car, glass shifter. Little storage cubby right here with another charger inside. Ambient lighting all across right here, across the dash on the right side. Door handles for both passenger and driver. Starting the stop button right here. More light outside, just as I was finishing the exterior. That is great. Engage gear. Let's go for a drive. Let them go. Let's head out. Comfort. Seatbelts are engaged. Let's head out. Sitting pretty high in this vehicle. X40i, so we're not at the top trim, but we're getting up there. Everybody decides to be outside today. It is Friday, so it's quite fitting. Thank you so much to Alpha Rental. Let's get out on the road. Alright, guys. Steering is super light, as you saw there. From barely tapping it, I went flying almost. Steering is just, oh my jeez, so light. Thank you so much, Alpha Rental Cars. Luxury Rentals, for allowing me to review this vehicle today. It is quite a classy, sophisticated, nice vehicle to drive. And they have more and more cars on their fleet. Thank you for the Integra from last time. Brakes work very well. I don't know what's happening. I guess they're not turning. Driving at night is quite the vehicle. Let's turn on some lights, because I don't think the ambient lighting is enough for you guys to see. This might be working a little better. Even in comfort mode, this thing will pick up. And going into Eco Pro, I don't know what's so pro about Eco, but we're gonna find out. Brakes are super strong. For German cars, that's to be expected. Even in comfort mode, brakes are pretty strong. On BMW Entertainment, we have some gas stations labeled, so that is quite nice. Let's throw into sport. Immediately, huge pickup. Sport mode with manual shifting. Oh my goodness. The inline 6 picks up and it goes. Oh my. Oh, geez. Oh, my. Wow. You don't even realize how fast you'd be going in this car. Oh, wow. And bye-bye. That is way too much fun. A little bit of a straight right here. The active exhaust. The exhaust is audibly louder, like very much so compared to the rest of the modes. Let's go back into comfort. Ride is so smooth now. It's instantaneously just changes. Beyond belief. Turning circle. Oh my, wow. Turn circles and rates. Let's put it back into sport, because I need some more of that. Oh, man. This is the perfect car to go to work with, but also have so much fun with, and then after work, go get groceries and have more fun. I love this car. Don't get an X5. What more? You don't need an X5. It's just not necessary. This is everything you wanted to do, and more. The driving experience, BMW just nails it. Now their design, could put a different taste in people's mouths. M4, the M3, I personally really love. This car's looks pretty good. I won't lie about that. So, I just want to punch it again. It's just kind of slow. Downshift. Downshift. Oh, it's just immediate. It is just immediate. BMW, how do you do it? However much horsepower they said this thing has, that is false. It's definitely way more. You definitely should get this car. I'm at a loss for words. I don't even know what to say. Alright, let's keep it under 55. Man, don't want to get in trouble. Maybe not even... Let's not get in trouble here, guys. Let's keep it under 55. But it's just... It's so good. You don't, trying to merge lanes, boom, just immediate, no questions asked. I should give it a quick one more pull in automatic. Let's see how it goes. Steering does tighten up just a little bit. And it sounds amazing. It sounds amazing. Realize how fast you're going. The heads-up display I just look past it. I'm looking at the road in front of me, and I look back to the heads-up display and back at the speedometer, and I'm just like, wow, I'm actually going that fast, because the car does not feel. Oh wow, does not feel that fast. I really love this car. Only complaint: cup holders are kind of small, and I'm quite disappointed by that, actually. Night has fallen really fast here in DFW. Good way to end the video and the nighttime sunset drive that we have here. Let's get out of manual. Turning is very precise in this car. That show with the turning radius, tight circle. Feels like a sports car. This does not feel like an SUV. Whenever it's in sport mode. In comfort mode, get that soccer mom kind of vibe. But in the sport, oh my goodness! I don't even turn the wheel all the way just to. I don't even have to try. And the steering is so light. That's going to end my time with this vehicle. Unfortunately, I had so much fun, and if you have the opportunity to test drive one of these cars, you definitely should give it a shot. Those sensors here, trackers here. Put it back in park. Love this shifter. Turn off our lights. Wow, just realized I just started recording in my audio. So now you are going to listen to GoPro audio. Proximity lock. Proximity lock again. Let's see how far it's nice. And then walk back up to the vehicle. Opens right up. That is crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully we have some more cool cars from the Alpha rental luxury fleet. Stop blocking. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.